Hello, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Today, I'm going to talk about a very important subject. That's being true to yourself by preserving your identity and your mother tongue. The world is so big with its diverse cultures and diverse languages, and this makes it more relevant for us to stay true to ourselves and honor our roots. Join me today as I look deeper into this subject. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about preserving our identity and our mother tongue. It's a topic very close to my heart. Why do you think it's important? I feel that in a world that celebrates diversity, it's easy for us to feel pressure to conform or to blend in. But let me tell you, there's nothing more empowering than embracing your authentic self and honoring your cultural heritage. Our identity and mother tongue form the foundation of who we are. They connect us to where it all began, where we all came from, our traditions, and our unique outlook on the world. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying it's a bad thing to embrace learning other languages, which of course comes with so many advantages. But my question is, why would we completely get rid of our own mother tongue? Learning about other languages and cultures doesn't mean losing sight of who we are. In fact, it enriches our understanding of the world and fosters meaningful connections with people from diverse backgrounds. So embracing other people's cultures and languages is pretty fantastic, but it should not entail the loss of one's identity or mother tongue. When we lose our mother tongue, we lose a significant part of our identity. We lose our connection to who we are, our heritage, our stories, and our history. It's a little like losing the keys to our past and the roadmap to understanding who we are. I spent years trying to fit into a mold that wasn't meant for me. It wasn't until I embraced my cultural identity and language that I truly felt at home in my skin. From sharing family recipes to cultural festivals, there are countless ways to celebrate and preserve our cultural heritage. Equally important, let's not forget to learn about and also respect other cultures. It's very important that we have a balance between assimilating into new cultures and preserving our own. It's about learning and growing, but not forsaking. There are several ways to help us maintain our linguistic and cultural identity. So let me just share a few. Number one, we need to practice speaking our mother tongue regularly. The best way to keep a language alive is to use it daily. Make it a point to speak in your mother tongue at home with friends who understand it. Number two, encourage multilingualism. It's beautiful to learn new languages. However, remind yourself not to abandon your native language. Number three, showcase your culture. Share your traditions, your customs, and stories with others. It encourages cultural exchange and helps preserve your unique identity. Number four, connect with your roots, engage with your community, connect with elders, and learn about your ancestry. It will further cement your connection to your culture and language. Number five, be proud of your identity. Don't hide your unique cultural identity. Be proud of it and let it shine through. Remember, it's always good to learn and grow, but pretending to be someone you are not is a disservice to your true self. So be authentic, be real, and embrace your roots with pride. I hope this video has inspired you to champion your cultural and linguistic heritage. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more such insightful pieces. Thank you.